Hello everyone, welcome to Instant Live Tips. Today I'm going to give very useful important Excel keyboard shortcuts. Let's get started. These are the shortcut keys: Control E, pattern in columns; Control 9, Control O, hide the selected rows or columns; Control plus space, select the entire columns; Alt equal to add selected values; Shift space gives the selected rows. I'll show you an example. If you go to the Excel sheet, so you have this name columns and first part of the name. If you click on Alan, this put Control E, then it will give the first part of the name. Or if you select White, then Control E, it will give all the second part of the column, second part of the name. So that's where we can utilize. Or if you add all these selected values, you can use like Control equal to, which will give the sum of the value. Or if you want to delete this entire column, use Control. You can hide this column, Control O. Or if you want to hide the entire row, Control 9. So these are the useful techniques while using the Excel. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Please give the comments in the comment section below. Thank you.